CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. So is Circle Internet stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video, and as the only person in this space that has actually done this for 43,000 videos and documented everything, I'm here showing you that I've actually been in the trenches and figured out what's making money and what's not, what is printing. Here to tell you that I'm still looking to double down like a madman, like, because now we're just south of 200 bucks, but I began making videos when it was 76, 76.98 at the time. I'm not even exaggerating, you know what I mean? Like a month ago, this is 6th of June. And the key part about this is that ideally I see a full candle close above 210 bucks, but lower time frame, there's nothing objectively stopping me. This is a very subjective idea, right? Like if there is a confirmation, I would still likely buy and get involved and do all that good stuff like buying, but you know what I mean. Like I'll just stick with this high time frame second break, and then once that's in the game, all the intraday trades are still going to be long. So let me know what is your opinion. If you want to get my money making emails and insights and stay tuned with CRCL, click the first link in the description. It's free.